Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Children, now let us discuss about algae. Algae are multicellular organisms made up of multiple cells. They prefer mostly aquatic habitats. Some common examples of protozoa are Spirogyra, Lothrix, Chlamydomonas. Now let us discuss the structure of algae. Algae are unicellular or multicellular organisms. Some algae cells join each other to form filament and some have branches or fronds. Both unicellular and multicellular algae live as individual or in colonies. Algae is being found in different forms, unicellular forms or multicellular forms or a colonial form like volvox. Unicellular forms examples as algae are as follows like Chlamydomonas. It is green single cellular algae. They are generally oval, spherical or peared shape. Flagella is used for locomotion. Children, now let us discuss the habitat of algae. Algae lives mostly in an aquatic environment floating on the water. Many times they are found in ponds, lakes, and seawater. Some algae live on the bark of the tree and some on moist soil and rocks. Some algae are also found in snow and some in hot spring. Now let us discuss the mode of nutrition in algae. Algae are considered as autotrophs, as well of them have chlorophyll in it. Most algae groups are considered photoautotrophs. They depend entirely upon their photosynthetic apparatus for their food production, using sunlight as a source of energy and CO2 as a source of carbon to produce their food. Many of the algae have a symbiotic relationship with plants and animals. Children, now let us discuss the types of algae. Based on the pigment found in the cells, they are classified into following groups. Algae are classified into blue-green algae, green algae and brown algae. Now let us discuss about blue-green algae. They have blue pigment along with chlorophyll. Nucleus is not present in blue-green algae. They are more like bacteria and therefore they are called as cyanobacteria and they live in fresh water. Let us discuss about green algae. This contains mainly chlorophyll. They live in fresh water. Green algae are singular green alga are photosynthetic algae that are characterized by having chlorophylls A and B has the predominant pigments, those rendering them green in color. They store food as starch within plastids. They include the chlorophytes and they are charophytes. Now let us discuss about brown algae. Brown algae contains brown pigment in addition to chlorophyll. Brown algae generally marine. Many seaweeds are brown algae which are almost 50 to 60 meter long. Now let us discuss about red algae. Red algae contains red pigments besides chlorophyll. Red algae are generally marine. Red algae or rhodophyte are one of the oldest groups of eukaryotic algae. The rhodophyte also comprises one of the largest phyla of algae, containing over 7,000 currently recognized species with taxonomic revisions ongoing. Now let us discuss the uses of algae. Children, algae are the major source of food for fishes, prawns and many aquatic animals. Sea algae is eaten by many. Most of the oxygen is the atmospheric is released by algae. Red algae yield algin substance used to thicken cosmetics and food items like ice cream, jelly, coma, chocolates, etc. Agar-air is a solidifying substance obtained from red algae used in microbiological research. Algae also consumes huge amount of carbon dioxide, which is good for our ecosystem. Now let us discuss the disadvantages of algae. Algal blooms can be toxic and it harms aquatic ecosystem and human health.